Oh, wait, who is she? Yes, looking like a whole goddess out here. You want to see how I got this makeup look? Stay tuned. Hey, y'all, hey. Y'all, first off, I do not know what's going on with this video, why it's so all up in my face, but boom, here we go. First I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. eyelid primer or eyeshadow primer. Put that on both lids. And then I'm going to use my God-given makeup brushes, my impeccably clean hands, to smooth that out. So to kind of blend it out on my eyelids. Then I'm going to go into one of my eyelid primers. Y'all, first, I don't know what the hell is going on with this camera. Why is it flipping and spinning and all that stuff? But bear with me, y'all. I've been trying with this editing app, and it's just not for me. But anyways, I'm going to take a skin tone, flesh tone eyeshadow. As you can see, it barely even got anything on the brush. But, you know, your girl is trying. So I'm going to put that in as my blender color or my transition color, or lack thereof, or whatever. Then I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild palette, go into that deep cobalt blue, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Oh, there we go with these camera antics, honey. Okay, but y'all see how you have to build that eyeshadow up. I'm going to cover half my eyelid with that blue color. Then I'm going to go in on the other side where you cannot see because I am not good at taking these videos. But bear with your girl. So I'm going to build that blue color up on the other side as well. And then there we go with these camera antics again. So you couldn't see, but I went in with the lighter blue. And I'm going to go in like closer to the inner corner of my eyelid. Basically, I'm trying to create like a gradient effect on my eyelid. So y'all bear with me with this camera, honey, because geez Louise. Then I'm going to go into that Profusion eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to go into like that golden shimmery kind of color, and I'm going to put that a little bit closer right next to that light blue, just a little bit of that. And y'all see, I am not a makeup artist. I just do my own makeup. I've learned from YouTube University, so bear with your girl. Then I take that white, and I'm going to go into the inner corners of my eyes. And I like to apply white or a light eyeshadow to the inner corners of my eyes because it kind of makes your eyes look bigger, make them look a little bit more bold. I really like that look. Now I'm going to go back into that brown color that I used at first. And then I'm going to use that chocolate brown. And I'm going to try to blend that transition color in again. This time you can see it got a little bit more coverage. It look a little better. A little bit better. So then I went back into that blue color. And I kind of just built that up a little bit more on my eyelid. Then I'm going to clean my brush. Clean all that blue color off with that that brush cleaning sponge, and then I'm gonna try to blend that transition color in those blues again to make it kind of smooth looking. I'm gonna take another smaller blending brush, and I'm going to hit that under eye. And something about putting that eyeshadow on your under eye, it kind of wakes the eye up a little bit, makes the look a little bit more like eccentric, or just, you know, just a little bit more extra, you know what I'm saying? Put the extra on it. So then I went in with that lighter color blue, and I put that next to that deep blue color. And then you see I've kind of blended that blue out a little bit again with that other blue. Then I went into that gold shimmery color, and I had to, of course, put a little pop under that eyelid, under that eyeshadow. Honey, under the eyebrow. So I had to put a little pop under the eyebrow. And you see it kind of lifted my eyebrows up real quick. Then I'm going to go into that Infinite eyeliner by Milani. Now, this is a really good eyeliner, but I've learned that every time I use it, it makes my eye water. Like the inner corner, the inner tear ducts water. Every single time I use it. So, yeah. But you see, I'm going to go ahead and line my eye with a thin line. One thing I wish I would have done in this video was kind of make that line a little bit thicker, a little bit more dramatic. But hey, it is what it is. Line that other eye. Of course, you cannot see it in true Erica B fashion. Then I'm going to take my holy grail, y'all. I love this Kohl crayon by Maybelline. It's amazing. And then, of course, my GOAT, the Maybelline Falsies mascara. So I'm going to put mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And my mascara face ain't that ugly today, honey. Okay, so now I'm going to finish the whole look. So I did my foundation, primer, all of that stuff. Put me on a little bit of lip gloss, and your girl is ready to go. Honey, yes. So me and my son went and we killed this photo shoot together. We did a mommy and son photo shoot. Thank y'all for watching my video. Go ahead and like, rate, subscribe, comment, all of that stuff. I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right, bye.